A very good morning to all my lovely students. Today we're going to learn in this about the chapter The Shepherd's Treasure for class 6, and here we will be having short answer type questions as well as the long answer type questions that are 100% sure that will be coming in your exams. So now let's start with the assignment. Listen to it very carefully. Understand. If you understand, then you can write in your own words also. But the meaning that is getting conveyed from the message, from the entire answer, should remain same. So let's start with the assignment. Question number 1. Who visited the shepherd one day and why? See the answer. The king of a country visited the shepherd one day because he was famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king heard about him and thought of meeting him to know the truth. So now the king had heard lot about shepherd. He's a very kind man, he's a good man, he is this, he is that, he's friendly nature. So after hearing all of this, the king decided, okay, let me go and meet to the shepherd once. Second question. Why did the other governors grow jealous of the shepherd? See the answer. The common shepherd was appointed as the governor of a small district. He was loved and honored by the people. His fame spread far and wide. So the governors of other provinces grew jealous of him. See, he did a very good job. The shepherd did a very good job. Everybody was so happy for him and everybody loved him, honored him. And yes, and this is how he got famous. Everybody was knowing that okay, there is a man who is so good. Now everybody went towards him, everybody started loving him. Other governors got no respect, so that is why they got jealous. They become jealous of the shepherd. Next question. Why was the new governor called to the palace? Now, why one day he was called to the palace? What was the reason behind it? See the answer. The jealous governors reported that the new governor was dishonest and he always carried his treasure in an iron chest. So the new governor was called to the palace because the king wanted to know the secret of the iron chest. Now they got jealous, so something wrong and negative was there in mind. They all decided, okay, let us go to the king and let us tell the king, okay, see, this governor is good, but he's dishonest and he's always carrying an iron chest in which he's storing each gold and material and everything, each and every treasure that he's getting. So he's dishonest. So to clarify this, to think about what is the reality, to bring out the reality, he was called to the palace. Fourth question. What did the iron chest contain? The iron chest contained nothing, no gold, no silver, but just one old blanket. Fifth question. Why did the shepherd always carry it? Now, if there was only old blanket, what was the reason to carry it always? The shepherd always carried it because it was his oldest friend and it could always protect him even when the king took away his new clocks. Now, he said that, sir, you can take your old jewelry. You can anytime take your jewelry that you have given me. You can anytime take the dress that you have given me. But this old blanket is my friend, and whenever I will not have anything on my body, anything to cover, this old blanket is going to be my friend. So why should I leave it? That is why I always carry it with myself. Sixth, is it an example of the shepherd's humility or wisdom or both? Now this situation was the example of what? It's the example of both shepherd's humility and wisdom also. Seventh question. Why was everyone delighted to see the iron chest on camel's back? Everyone was delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back because when it would be opened, his dishonesty will be revealed to the king. So everybody was so eager. Okay, come on, we are waiting for the iron chest to open. We also want to see that how cheater he is, how dishonest he is. But everything waned. Everybody's mouth was shut because it had nothing but an old blanket. Eighth question and the last question for the day. How did the king reward the new governor? Now, after noticing all this thing that there was a blanket, after listening to the kind views of the governor, what did he rewarded? What was he rewarded with? The king was highly pleased with the new governor's humility and honesty. He rewarded him with a promotion. He made him the governor of a much bigger province the same day. The same day, the same movement, the in the same situation where everybody was just excited, everybody was gathered to see him being expelled. What everybody was watching? His promotion. He got promotion and he became the governor of a very big district. The same day, the same moment. So, this was all about today's assignment. Thank you, everyone. Take care and stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.